Located in Bengaluru, a bustling urban pocket shaped by movement, commerce, and everyday life. Set within this dense area is this villa, a 4,550 square foot north-facing plot. Instead of isolating the home, the design embraces its context. The lower levels are dedicated to commercial use, allowing the building to engage with the city. As we move upward, the noise and pace of the street slowly fade away. The residential experience begins with a cozy balcony. The house opens into a double-height living room, bringing shared spaces together around a single open core. A vibrant material palette energizes the space, creating a lively yet balanced atmosphere that feels expressive rather than overwhelming. With the east and west sides blocked by adjoining buildings, a skylight is introduced above the living area, ensuring the heart of the home remains naturally lit throughout the day. The dining area is kept minimal, allowing movement and light to define the space. Soft fabric curtains filter daylight, creating a warm ambience. Moving into the kitchen, the cabinetry is finished in a muted pastel tone, paired with tambour shutters, allowing efficient appliance storage. The fluted glass shutters not only add texture but also allow partial visibility, reducing visual clutter, ensuring accessibility. Every corner is utilized, ensuring zero dead space and functionality throughout the kitchen. The master bedroom welcomes you with an immediate sense of uplift. A bold yet balanced color palette adds warmth and character without overwhelming the space. Carefully composed tones remain easy on the eyes. One important detail is the flush concealed door within the bedroom wall. Finished with a fluted panel, it blends seamlessly into the surface, so it doesn't read like a separate element. This door leads to the walk-in closet, allowing storage to stay hidden from the sleeping area. When it comes to the kids' bedroom, the idea was to create a space where a child can actually spend time, not just sleep. The colors here are kept lighter and softer, so the room feels cheerful and welcoming, encouraging kids to slow down, sit comfortably, read a book, or simply spend time on their own. The materials are chosen to feel warm and approachable rather than formal. Nothing here feels too sharp or rigid. Everything is designed to feel safe and flexible. The overall intent is to make the room feel like a small world of its own, a place where a child can relax, imagine, and feel completely at ease. The upper level opens into a family sitting, designed around the way the family wanted to use the space. Fluted panels introduce texture, adding softness without drawing excessive attention. The color palette remains composed and balanced, while bold, bringing depth and richness without disturbing the overall calm. Furniture stays low and informal, allowing personal objects and everyday moments to take over. The parents' bedroom follows a soft material palette. Muted pastel wall finishes form a S backdrop, allowing the space to feel light and comfortable. An abstract wall finish is introduced along the bed wall to bring character to the room. Fluted wall panels are used selectively to introduce rhythm and continuity. The walk-in wardrobe is designed as an extension of the bedroom. Here, cane inlay wardrobes are used to keep the storage visually light and aesthetic. The guest bedroom adopts a simpler and more neutral approach. Geometric laminate finishes and compact storage solutions ensure the room feels welcoming and flexible. It is here that the home feels complete, not because of what is built, but because of what it makes room for. Homes like these are not just places to return to at the end of the day. They quietly hold memories, routines, conversations, and pauses. A home that feels lived in, loved, and truly yours.